Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here. I will discuss today the resource of geography for UPSC after NCERT. Okay, that is sometimes we are misjudged by the book. That is what is the book in reality. So I'm here to give you the flesh in the reality of this book. That is G C Leong. Okay, I think this is Oxford, India. It is finest book for geography resources for UPSC. Okay. So before starting this video, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to the needy. And I will share the link for this book to buy, okay, from Flipkart. And I will say you can join my Telegram channel. I will share in the descriptions, and you can watch my previous videos. I will set this. Then that means I will share the links in this description. So let's start. This is the real book. Okay, this is cover page. So if you go to buy this book, so you have to show this cover page. Okay, I think you are getting my point. This is the cover page of the G C Leong. Okay, so my motive to make this video is that the quality of this book, the pictography or infographics of the book, explanation, and the contents of this book. I will discuss all this in detail. Okay, so you can see there is part 1 physical geography, part 2 weather climate. So if you go through NCERT class 11 and 12, so this part will be completed, okay, by your NCERT itself. So whenever you go through the weather climate generation, you can get these things in your NCERT, but in the extra you should do. Okay, so that is for this book. Okay, if you go through climate creation in this book, this is hot weather, world geography. I would say world geography has truly I would say in detailed explanation is in here. Okay, so I will flash in this book. Let first I have taken this for an example only, so you can see the detail analysis and also along with the images what is mantles. Okay. So if you go through NCERTs, you definitely read about volcanic rocks, sedimentary rocks, okay, and metamorphic rocks. Okay, so in this you can revise also. Along with NCERT, you can follow these books, and I think these two sources are good. Okay, NCERT is 11-12, and this book. These two sources for geography is the best, I think so, because if you went through the prelims previous papers or mains paper, you must see that there are lots of questions that is out of NCERT. But if you go through this book, there is G C Leong, you can really get this solution nicely. That is world geography. So from this book you can get the holistic knowledge of all geography. Okay, for example Mediterranean type climate or southern climate. I will come later on this. Okay, so look at this. This is world distribution. So the infographics in this book is very good. I've taken this for only to see you the quality of this book and the infographics. So if you go through NCERTs, there will be in this batholith, lecholith. So here you can also see the same images but in more clarification. Okay, so this is come from student climate or world geography. So this is world distribution. It is not in the NCERT book, I would say. So for world geography you have to check added material, that is G C Leong is sufficient. So this is world. Also what is this mid latitude desert climates. So you can see world distribution. So this is totally I've taken for this only to show you the quality of this book, and the infographics is too very good. So any queries of this book, so comment on it. I would definitely help you to find out the solution. And also if you worry about the prices, the price of this book is nearly 300 or less 300 you would get this book. Okay, So I will share the link of this book to buy from Flipkart. So there would be some discount. So even can this book at 200 cost only. And I have Telegram channel. I will share the link so you can join my Telegram channel, and I would link the previous videos and of another resources book, so you can see my previous videos on this and any query of this. So comment on it. I would definitely help you. Okay, this is for today. Thank you very much.